Hi everyone, it's another video on this channel. This time around we will be discussing on another topic in our Learn HTML the Right Way series. So we'll be talking about absolute and relative URL. So you will notice that when we are defining a URL to an external website, we have to provide the full protocol to that website, meaning we have https / the main domain of the website, then the part we're actually going to. You see, any link you see like this is called absolute URL. That is defined going to a specific place. So but when you are working in your website and you want to refer to a page directly in your personal website or in that personal website, so you can use a relative URL, meaning that you are starting with a slash. So what you are telling your browser is that everything before this should be this present website, that is relative to this present website. Go to the path index.html. So when you have something like this, that means this is a relative URL. So meaning that absolute URL is specifying the full protocol, while relative URL is specifying the exact path you want to go to in the present website. So if you have anything unclear to you, shoot in the comments. Don't forget to like, share the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button to get the next release. Thank you.